It is raining meetings just after a much-anticipated summit between US President Donald Trump and Russian President Vladimir Putin last week. And with Ukraine President Volodymyr Zelensky meeting President Trump, along with major European leaders this week beginning, China can't left behind. As India slapped with additional tariff on 25% for buying Russian oil, India looks at its neighbor and competitor China. With Prime Minister Narendra Modi slated to visit China to participate in multilateral Shanghai Cooperation Organizations that begins on August 31st, Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi was on a two-day visit to India. His next stop, Pakistan. Wang Yi to land in Islamabad on August 20th to attend the Pakistan-China Strategic Dialogue and meet both the civil and military leaderships. Speaking at the 24th round of special representative level talks on the boundary question, Wang Yi said the setbacks experienced in the past few years between India and China were not in the interest of the people of either country.
The setbacks we experienced in the past few years were not in the interests of the people of our two countries. And then in October last year, President Xi Jinping and Prime Minister Modi had an important meeting in Kazan. That meeting pointed the direction for the development of our bilateral relations and provided impetus for the proper settlement of the boundary question.
Wang Yi also underlined Beijing's expectations from the upcoming SCO summit.
We identified specific goals and formed a working framework. We are heartened to see the stability that is now restored in the borders.
Welcoming Wang Yi, NSA Ajit Doval said there has been an upward trend in bilateral engagements in recent months.
Very warm welcome.
Doval stressed the importance of the current round of talks, pointing the Prime Minister Modi's upcoming visit for the SCO summit.
I am very hopeful that, like the last one, this 24th Special Representative level talks would be equally successful. Our Prime Minister will be visiting for the SCO summit shortly, and therefore I think that this SR level talks assume a very special importance.
The Chinese Foreign Minister's visit to Islamabad comes against the backdrop of events including the recent India-Pakistan conflict, the conflict in the West Asia concerning Iran, Israel and the US, and after Pakistan Army Chief Asim Munir was hosted by the US President at the White House lunch. The relations are on the mend, but until there is complete de-escalation at the border, it cannot be business as usual. With Mahashweta Lala, Bureau Report, India Today.